Bird Automotive family has gathered together after a long time, and the objective here is that everybody in the family should become a part of the entire progress which we are doing together.
This Diwali, we want to celebrate real heroes who help us achieving sheer joy for our customers.
This thing is very beautiful to see your employees happy, working with you happy.
I'm very happy and proud to be associated with a company like Bird Automotive, who today are honoring the true leaders and the heroes behind the curtains who deliver our day-to-day operations and make sure that we are delivering consistent joy to our customers.
I wish entire team
Of Bird family.
A very, very happy Diwali.